just they walk up and down, up and down.
We don't reach now. Ma.
Papa, you said we have reached since that time.
What is the problem? What's the
problem is that they do me here. I don't know why you go.
Are you not going house? Huh?
Which guy has will they go? I think we go see.
If you are taking us back to the village, just tell us.
If photo come.
Anything where you like, talk because now your mouth.
Look for where you go find house, you know see. Na here can't possible.
Donna, let's watch it.
All the devil went to the other house, I don't forbid them. All the devil went to that area, I don't forbid them.
You say we forbid you yourself.
This way where would they go? You know what that devil did here?
That place. You follow the devil for that house where would they live. Make sure you don't carry this on them.
Now your condition make me just keep quiet.
See, look at you. You're not ashamed of yourself. At my age, you pregnanted me and you're talking nonsense.
You're my full of joy. Not the same.
One of my detail.
Not the same, no.
We'll give you belly.
Shut up your mouth, don't talk when we are talking.
Old people, see the ball.
Shut up.
Yeah, open legs.
Your age. When you done born before, this is not a person. This is where you born a person.
No, sir.
Okay. Mommy, I'm a human being. I'm a human being.
Look at my children, you're saying that. Just look at them and look at yourself.
Okay, all the people.
Look at my
anybody
children,
where
look at yourself.
people where begin come out, you come out.
Look at you.
You born girl, born boy. What did be the problem when they suffer house? Why did this guy never give me?
Person where bomb girl, bomb boy.
You,
they want make a bomb.
Cletus, what have you done for your parents? What have you done for them? Is it because I don't want to tell them what you were doing when I married you?
I married you.
We know now. Not before mother parks in this thing. How about in the do now?
Shut up your mouth. Come on, shut up.
Shut up.
I said shut up your mouth.
Don't mind him. Oh yeah, now here.
Offload.
Oh yeah, offload it. Pack all these things out. Pack it out. Offload. This is the house.
But the house is fine. Very fine.
Thank you. What is it?
Too far.
And what is it? You, what is it? Is that up to you?
Why be say you look for house you know come here? This place too far. It's out of time.
But person, people, other houses there where people they stay. No, stay here. Now I don't come up for devil.
You know what the devil there is here?
It can be. Before I don't call pastors, they pray for us here. No one nonsense. Back all this is no enter house. Go reach the fan, make this fan not fall. Go on.
Who go carry who? Na me go carry the fan, the fan go carry me. No, come out and now.
Who be there now?
Mama, let's go inside now. Papa and
the people work
to carry everything.
Why don't you take me inside the house? Let me sit down. I'm tired.
Oh yeah. Come. Carry that food. Carry the food. Omarita. Let God give us when they talk nonsense.
I just pray that those characters you have in the other thing.
Now the guys are the that make a voice so.
Yeah.
Enter inside. Enter. You still not start?
Papa.
They go.
Come book now.
What kind of my test come out?
If they do this, I think say the price is different, right?
Hey!
Papa? Papa?
I'm not getting to outside.
Hey. Come on, carry. Come on, carry.
How much? How much remain?
3,000 naira.
3,000.
My friend, I charge you 4,500. You gave me only 1,500. My balance money is 3,000 naira.
So you rush person go hospital for me.
That is our agreement.
Make sure them get. What is that now one? Now 4,500 me you talk. What did they talk?
Your balance is 3,000 naira, my friend. I have no time to waste.
Now 4,500 we talk.
4,500, that is our agreement.
Pack well now, and the evening they go bring money for me, I go pay.
No, I cannot take that from you.
I don't show in the kitchen, show in the corridor, and other places.
But too many things are lacking in this house. Too many things are lacking in this house.
You know who they talk. We are welcome. We are welcome. The only thing, God, I thank you because that place, as I come up for there, all the devil on the other side, we don't live on that side. For here, I don't want anybody to bring in devil come here again. I know who I they talk to.
Me?
I call your name. Now you know say you're one of the devil, but I don't want to talk about that one. I don't say me. Why? Donatus 1 Cletus.
Papa?
Hi. Oh. 14 years going to 15 years. You dey boy they serve. If I ask, they say you dey do well. If I ask, they say you dey do well. Reach today, you serve the first 6 years finish free. You don't gree free. You dey there for another 6 years finish am. You dey serve only boy, now be your life. This today you no fit achieve anything for this family.
Papa, you know business is not my talent, man. Music is my talent, man.
The music was also your talent. Reach today, you never play one thing. Even if na crying music.
If you do some demo, let's collect with demo, man.
Anyway, make I not go talk that one reach far. For this place where we come so, no only one bulb there. If that thing hide finish, say you not face him. Only this bulb will take on find am. For rooms, no socket. What do you want socket? One fan, if heat do you for room, you come out for parlor, come take fan.
Iron.
Who's iron? Either have an owner. Nobody go use iron when they plug for here because electricity. Once a month finish, the bill where they go bring, they pass person when get the house. If they want use iron, one man when they so die and die, you get this is a charcoal iron. Men I go to borrow charcoal iron.
Boom.
Go and borrow it. For kitchen, no light at all, use candle. Or you cook your food in the daytime. No. All this light for front, light for back, no bulb. So make I know how much they go give me for one bulb and one fan, one TV. That's all it be. I don't talk my own finish.
But this one is very uncomfortable. How can we stay in the house? No light, no fan.
I don't know what you have turned me into. I don't know what you want to turn me into.
Boom.
There's no bulb in the kitchen.
Yeah, I'm going to buy light and put
Once
my
I don't
room.
cook until night, I will not cook. Oh, no, nobody will eat in this house. How can you tell me to stay in the kitchen without light when there's electricity in this house? Never. It will not happen. Okay.
No light, no fan, nothing. No iron socket, nothing.
Okay, you brought me here to put me in darkness. No problem. No problem, Cletus. No problem, oh. Hey.
Boom,
okay, no food.
What?
No food.
Boom.
Class. What you say?
Later.
Kezaya. Boom, class. Cletus. Another boom, class. Mama. Boom, class. Where is it?
Boy. Hi. House agent. Land agent. Generator. General contractors. Okay. Supply. Bobman. Jobman. Insurance. Import. X3 and S3. My boy, good work.
Papa, what is good about what he has written? Can't you see what he wrote? Horse agant, land agant, suppling. God forbid.
No. Why you moving it?
Papa, God forbid that I be in this house and watch such embarrassing spelling mistakes. Look at it now. Horse agant.
Okay. It's a mistake. That's my baby. That's why I send you to school. Only I don't like what you're reading for school.
Papa, what is wrong with studying political science again? Is it not a course?
Where science there for inside politics? What is the science inside it? Politics of even it. Person will win, they go lose them. Rig them. And besides, and training of political thugs. Is that the science inside it?
Don't worry, Papa. By the time I finish serving, you will see me on a very high pedestrian. You will not believe it.
Okay. When are you going for service?
Next week now. Papa, begin to prepare for me, oh.
Next week? Okay. What am I preparing again? What I won't prepare for you again? I've done my job, oh. The remaining is between you and your God. You remember what the doctor said? If you hold yourself, the toll gate, chimpam, all the Adams will respect themselves.
You give me money,
I will.
For a man that sells the agent and the agent of this geographical region. How you doing? You know me?
Are you not?
Shit, come on, I don't know what you're talking about. I came for business, please. Yes.
Okay, which one do you want? Is it land or house?
I need land, house, whichever I can get, just in the geographical region, okay? Yes.
Okay, we can show you. Bros, I bet business don't come here. They come. Hey! You see this?
Yeah.
This one is for sale.
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah, you get.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to get people.
Okay. That's nice.
For sale. You see all this thing? From here to that down.
Wow.
This thing.
I want all of them. I want
for sale.
I need this for 5-star hotels.
This one, this is not there. Not there to build, so you want to sell.
Shit.
So first of all, I'm not supposed to carry you come unless you do registration, but because you meet us in the office.
Registration? Oh, no problem. How
for
much
which
is your registration?
Each plot you won't buy. Registration is 5,000. You want to buy 2 plus 10,000. 3 plus 3,000. 5,000. 5,000.
Oh, come on, that's too expensive. Whatever, let me give you just have this. This is about 20,000. You can be cool with this, yes. Okay. So, are you sure these are genuine lands?
I will give you paper now.
The authenticity, everything is okay, right?
I will give you paper.
All right.
Call police.
All right. All right. Can I take a look of that one down there?
Yeah, if you want to jump, can you jump? You can jump inside, but not jump now.
It's good. I like it.
Down. I got another one for the other side. If you want, I'll go and show you that one.
Okay, let's go.
And that one will be like field.
Okay.
The play ball one side.
Let's see that.
Don't forget anything. Dora, come and carry it for her. It's not your sister.
Carry it.
Carry this bag for her.
How I go carry my younger sister bag? But she carry and make to go now.
If they did Junior, me I for the inside. Adam, please. Make you know who you would and they talk and what you they do. No play. Just they do your this on a army school. Eh? Don't spoil anybody thing. Don't do nonsense.
You started again.
He will follow you to your place.
But why is he following me now? I can go alone. I'm an adult now.
I'm not an adult. He will follow you to the place, know where you they stay and who you they stay with.
Who will follow you before? Is this time I follow you?
You follow where where they go? Mommy. Hi. Go gang come. Read well.
Go now.
No, you sabi where we they go. I sabi.
Take her to park. You go reach the same park now.
Go front first.
Don't fight, oh. Don't fight her.
Papa, I don't know why he's going with you. I don't know why he's going
No,
with
they
me.
fight. Leave them.
I'm your escort.
Don't
now.
push.
Run things.
Take it easy.
Give it run things.
I'll go na palo.
Run things.
Just eat something. Huh?
Bye.
Cook. Huh? I'm missing you. Hey. Not the city now.
You move now.
Papa! Papa!
But I can't see.
Ladies, welcome on board to this company. This company provides accommodation for its staff, and right now we're having a little problem. We have more newly employed staff, more than the rooms that we have to accommodate you. So we decided to pay 2 in a room. Do you have any problem with that?
Well, thank you, sir. Well, I personally do not have a problem with that, except if my colleague here does.
Me? Oh, no, no problem at all, sir.
Okay. And once again, welcome again on board.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
See my secretary outside for some of the details.
Thank you. Pardon my manners. Monica Okereke, political science.
I'm sorry, I honestly didn't realize I hadn't introduced myself. I mean, Kesaya Obioma Dikeh. Street, political science.
Oh, I have friends in your school.
Really?
Seriously.
What man, Kesaya? Me look for you everywhere, me no see you.
Well, that is my the story of my life, my brother, my only brother.
Yeah, man, sweet punani. Me little sister, in case you don't know.
Okay, because I was about to ask if it was a Jamaican.
Rastafari, yeah, man.
To you. Hi, how are you?
Mo, hi, how are you? Mo. Can the university again? Look, let me tell you, if you want to greet me, you do that well, instead of insulting me. Are you older than I am? Okay.
Okay. Let me make it easier. Good afternoon, Mr. Donato.
Yeah, man! Sweet punani! Me love you to the bone, sweet punani! Yeah, man!
Honestly, that's what I really have to cope with every day. Most embarrassingly, my father asked him to accompany me here, hoping I was going to get an apartment so he could fix it up for me.
Yeah, man.
Fortunately, the reverse is the case.
Well, but you don't need him here. They have laborers everywhere.
Yeah, and I'm so glad I don't.
Have you gotten the apartment?
Yes.
And are you going to be our roommate?
Oh, no, certainly not.
Hey,
That's so
sweet punani.
So I will see you in the room.
No
eh?
problem.
Sweet punani.
Right.
Me take you to the bedroom, me give you some puyaka.
What is wrong with you? You are a disgrace. You are a big disgrace.
Sweet punani.
You are just a disgrace.
Puyaka. Me on the mood, man. Jara Safari. Run to sweet punani. Me give you some puyaka, man. Sweet punani. Come upstairs. Sweet punani.
Sorry, waist pain. You know, they don't say waist pain is not good for a pregnant woman. Let's just go. Okay. Huh? Let's go. You know, Papa? Huh? Tiaka. Huh?
I just said the picket don't come.
Are you mad? Huh? How many months? This will be 6 months.
Now you don't know today how many what do you do? You are responsible.
Don't be stupid. Rush you want to break her?
You myself.
Now make her the belly.
Why don't they do yourself? There's sweet to have. No, okay. At their age, at this Mama, at this now this menopause.
My Chris.
Enjoy. Come inside. Come inside. This side. Take your hands off. We don't come. I beg. Come do everything, I beg.
Madam, sorry. Where's our consultation card?
Where's the occupation card?
Registration card.
Card?
I'm not registered yet. I was registered. I was registered at the center.
You know this here?
She has to register. Before we can attend to her.
Okay, how much?
600 naira.
I'm not so make I buy register and say card.
For registration.
Papa, just collect the card. Maybe we do come on here now. I get the answer.
How much are the paper for that side?
20 naira.
You the grace? You know you get 20 naira? So we can pay 600 naira.
Oga, that's 600 naira we take register.
Papa, you better make a collect this card here. You know say if Mama born here, she go one side. But if you go for that general hospital and pick which one I want? You want pick and I be one side.
It's a good idea. This is one of the best way don't talk this year.
Give us 600 naira, even if you're lost. Oh, do my waist again. Now the last one I want to do with this one. Any other go on a store, man, I'll put that is bring the silver. Who do my wedding? Still get belly. So the one I go leave for small picking meat and they enjoy. And I still they do it. Who my way don't pass menopause. They get belly.
Where is music coming from?
He's just sleeping.
Where is music? Where did they play?
Oh, it's from antenatal clinic.
At the
Natal clinic.
Okay, pregnant women.
Exactly.
Is it a dancing group?
No, it's not a dancing group. That is where we teach them how to take care of their babies and themselves before and after delivery.
She a member?
Yes, Mr. Cletus. Please do take care of them.
Hey!
But first of all, let me inject.
Yeah, okay, do anything. Anything you want to do. What do you want to do? Huh? Once you wake up, now give her the injection. And take her baby. I will call you back.
Hey!
So how much is it?
All of them.
Do
you want to pay in cash or do you want to pay in kind?
In cash, of course.
Not in kind. Okay, 2,500.
What?
2,500.
For this thing?
No, not like this. No, this is a plank. What will take the work here?
This small now. I can't pay you 2,500.
Okay. How much you go pay?
Now 400 naira will give you.
400 naira?
Now.
You go pay for this plank?
Look at this now. It's 400 naira. That's what
You mean if you pay me 400 naira now, later I go come, you pay me through this one to complete it? Okay, bring the one, bring just the can.
Hey. I'll tell you. What? Take your money back.
Okay, what is the point?
Why you go to up and down step here? Doesn't know what do something. Where you from come now? No, be a mate. The somewhere they do something. You're not going to walk up for the neighborhood.
Now you back something where they didn't work for me.
I only came here to buy wood now. I'll give you my money, I beg.
I'll give you now. Anuman. Agua. What's in the way? You better go to help you. Hey! I know I want to get with the Anuman no ga big here.
Kenzie, darling.
Yes?
Can you please help me with the soap on top of the table?
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Here it is. Yeah, just this way. The other way. Is he okay?
No, are you tired? Okay, just go down a little. Down.
Down where?
As in, down just a little below the legs.
I'm tired.
Are you tired? Go have your bath.
Yeah.
Monica.
Yes, darling.
I can't find my soap.
Your soap?
Yes.
No, I didn't see it all.
Then who must have taken it? I just bought a new one.
And you know our colleagues were here yesterday and they all took their bath here yesterday. Maybe one of them took it. Why don't you use my soap? It's there. It's on top of the toilet there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I hope it's not medicated.
No, darling. It's actually a toilet soap. You will like it though.
Fine. Are you sure it's not medicated?
No, it's toilet. You like the soap?
What kind of soap is this? The fragrance is really nice.
I'm sure you like the soap, don't you?
It's awesome.
You like the fragrance?
Yes. Oh, it's really nice.
If you really like it, I can give you, you know, I can have like a carton of it.
Yes, I love a carton. I like the soap.
Seriously?
Yes. I feel nice.
Okay, don't worry, I knew you were gonna like it. Don't worry, I'm gonna give you a whole lot. So you hurry up and finish your bath, eh? So we can hang out together.
Monica.
Hi, girls.
Do you know?
I don't know, maybe he wants to give us a ride.
That's risky.
Don't worry, I know how to deal with them. Yeah.
My name is Morgan. I'm sorry for bothering you. I'm sure you're coppers.
Yes, we are coppers, and can we help you?
No. I'd rather help. I'm sure you're going my direction. Can I?
That depends on what your direction is. We are close to where we're going to, so thank you. Thank you.
Please, come on. It doesn't matter, even if it's a stone throw. Just let me do it, okay? Can I?
Seriously? You insist?
I do.
Okay. Fine.
Not even your number?
Oh.
Hold on, coming.
Hi, darling.
Monica, what's up?
Fine, as you can see. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Sit down. Thank you. You're welcome. So, okay. I think there's need for an introduction.
Okay.
This is my love, Cynthia.
Seriously? Okay.
Hi, Monica. I've really heard a lot about you.
Seriously?
Good things or bad things. Sure, you know.
Nice meeting you. So, anyways, this is my friend Keziah. I call her Kezi for short. She is my very good friend and also my roommate. And Kezi, this is Clara and Cynthia.
Okay, you're welcome. So make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
Let me fix you guys a
Okay,
drink.
I can actually
Come
stay
with me.
Come with you.
Come. Excuse us.
Okay.
Hi, welcome. So, is she online?
Guess what? I am still trying to put her through. So, have you given her any of her articles to use? Yes. I gave her the soap and she liked it.
That's nice.
I still have my salt here. Just a little pinch. Clara, you're my guy in this game, It's okay. Alright,
Let's go. Come on, take your drink. Okay. Sorry for putting out so long. Alright, yeah.
What's the tipsy?
Okay, so
Don't mind it.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Don't you think we need some music in the house?
Yeah, I think so. Okay. Alright.
Oh, good.
Women of substance and dignity.
To uphold the pride of womanhood.
Women of substance and dignity.
To uphold the pride of womanhood.
No doubt, we are all aware of the reason we are gathered here once more in this powerful organization. We are here today to welcome two young princesses into this prestigious organization. We are here today to celebrate with them on their emancipation from slavery and humiliation, which women have suffered in the hands of men through centuries past till this generation, to liberate them. from submission and inferiority to men, which this callous society has placed on womanhood. Every woman is created as equal as every single man. Therefore, no man, I repeat, no man has shoulder over any single woman. For whatever a man can do, a woman can do better. Whatever a man can do, a woman can do better. A woman can do better. A woman can do better. Good. Now, please stand. Thank you. Once more, we welcome you into this great sisterhood where women supersede and influence men. You may now sit down. Now, let's move to the next step, which is their spiritual initiation.
I love it. I have never blushed the way I did the other day in my entire life. Do you know? I wore that to my office the other day and everybody was complimenting me.
Oh, are you serious? So, what did they say?
Oh, they said I'm beautiful. Of course, I do know I'm beautiful.
You have to look beautiful.
Okay.
Yes, come in. Wow! Look at you! Yes. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Come on, sit down. Come. Oh. I'm very happy you're here. Did you find it difficult to look at this place?
Not quite. I took an Okada.
Oh, an Okada. Your name is Keza, right?
Yes.
From today, I'll be calling you K-Baby. Can you just do me a favor by standing up? Get up a little. Turn around. Turn around. You're a beauty. Anyway. Never mind. I will change your wardrobe.
Just like that?
Just like that. What are friends for?
Thank you.
You're welcome. We'll go for lunch now. Let me get my bag. You first.
Day and shine, you love it. Only Jah fit help me for this kind thing where you do. Makame kumani na mani ya kesaya iridamusu. Only Jah fit help me for this kind thing where you do. Cause the only way to come out from this life is to pray. Cause kesaya onyo kikele your body they do you. Many yeah kesaya onyo kikele ikata she they do you.
Thank you. I'm grateful, right?
Yes, very, very. Thank you so much.
Kezi, do you have a boyfriend?
No, my father will not allow me to do that.
Your father must be a great man. Okay. We can have this.
Oh, no, you've done too much already.
Spray it.
Oh.
You like it?
I like it.
You can have it.
No, you've done too much for me already.
Please, keep it. Just keep it.
Thank you.
And this is for you. There's some money in it, as a couple. You need to put body and soul together, okay?
Thank you.
If you have a problem, just dial my number.
Why are you doing all this for me?
I love you.
Thank you.
Thank God.
I should leave now. Bye.
Take care of you.
And thanks for everything.
You're welcome. And please remember, don't mess yourself with men.
No, I won't.
Men has nothing to offer, okay? Okay. Take care.
Your friends don't carry you enter. You don't turn lazy. You don't leave boys follow girls cause they treat you like one. Your papa, your mama, your brother, they best so.
Donna? Donatus?
Papa? Papa?
I want us to talk. Something very, very important. Eh? Go bring chair. I thought you said, we will talk with the verse.
Verse? I know the verse.
And the young one was the commode.
Na rehearsal, my song. I won't do it, just the rehearsal.
I don't make mistake for name before. The thing, come they hammer me. I no one made that mistake again. Make you begin choose name for the pikin when they come. Me will choose name down.
Papa, how we go begin choose names for people we never see? Not when we see them now, we go give them names.
Me want to make you begin choose them at the craze. Yeah?
Okay.
I know miss something when happen before. May happen. This one they come now and the boys. I know woman again. I no want trouble. Okay. To find names.
Okay. We no go quarrel. Checking the names you want.
Yeah.
And you sure say na boys you go born.
Boys.
Papa, you know, as I be Rasta man now, so that people go confirm say this boys na my brothers. You go good, maybe we give them Rasta people name. Names like Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, Lucky Dube, Alpha Blonde, Ron Things. What I don't know. Dread me give respect. Respect to why? Rasta man.
Lucky Dube. Why they put their surname? Lucky. Remove the Dube. What do you name?
Peter Touch.
Peter. Remove touch. All the other one where you call them alphabet. I don't need them at all. In fact, all this, why they bring all the people when they craze? Go Bible.
If Kukuma tell me say na Christian names you need.
Go inside Bible.
What you for tell me?
Bible name not the time.
Papa, as I be done now, you no go bad though. You no go bad at all. If you give the pikin Jonah, Donna, Jonah, Equation balanced. Anya lawasha.
Jonake.
Yeah, Jonah.
No, we not go message for Jesus Christ. When they push enter with the way fish swallow. Come on, go message for one place. They go to one for that. Now we'll give my picking.
Chebi talk say na twins.
Yeah.
2 boys. I can't talk Donna John. Peter and Paul. Final.
Peter and Paul.
The media.
Peter and Paul. Hi. Peter, when you just they get problem. When you go deny am 3 times. When for go they give witness for court. God forbid. Paul when they kill Christians, when they kill people when they follow Jesus Christ.
Okay. Titus. Happy and Titus.
Okay, so be
Donatus. Kiletus, Donatus, Titus.
Titus. That one Nagesha, Mr. Dean. No.
Okay.
Choose.
Okay.
When they do Gesha, don't take her.
Nah, I don't know what I go do again. No. Anyway, where I bring it, you go
You know if you bring any name when it's long, small.
Okay. Names like Solomon, Lazarus, Jude. Good.
Lazarus
better well. Lazarus.
When sick, how many years can die before this go begin come out in second hand, come out for ground? No.
Papa, what be saying now?
Solo is good. Mourn. Nobody die, not the mourn anybody. How about that when the big sense? When Jesus Christ brings sense only in Karam? When they marry here and there, marry wife everywhere, use the hash, children life out.
Papa, now on a bad is what these people do. Nah, they remember all the good ones what they do.
Why they go to the battle? Other ones they just find one when in name long small.
Name well long. If I tell me since now.
Make name get meaning.
Get meaning long. If the name well long you need nah. Just give a Nebuchadnezzar. Nebuchadnezzar.
Donatus. Nebuchadnezzar.
Papa happy and Nebu.
I beg come over here.
Papa Nebu is better.
Come over here. Nebuchadnezzar will take hand and leg the okay? Let's make give my picking. Hi. No wonder no eat so better food.
E better? Make we go back to those Rasta. Rasman, Bob Marley, Cletus.
Get out. Make I think of. Get out.
Okay. Just bring me suggestion. If you like, take it. Names we go make people get money here. Successful people.
Lock. Remove the Y. If I say make I wait, if they burn this pikin, people go rush name take. I go enter dictionary. And go solve them. Now this name with the answer environmental.
Hello. Mirabel, can you please save yourself all that greetings, okay?
What? Are we not friends anymore?
Not until you keep your traitor's eyes off my girl, Keziah. She does not belong to you.
Oh, I can see why your venom bites so much. But let me remind you, my girl, I never keep my eyes on Keziah. But if she feels she wants to play this game with me, I will never object either. And for your information, she was in my office just a few days ago, and I believe that's not her last visit.
Quite interesting. Let us see. Let us see if she will continue falling for your victim, for this your voracious appetite. Let's see.
Well, no one says no to Mirabel. You never said no, Monica, and she will never say no either. Well, as you said, let us wait and see. Have a wonderful day.
Keziah.
Sweetie, are you true?
Yes.
Is that the cream you use?
Yes. I like it. Can I have it?
Yes.
Should I come?
Oh, God.
I love it. Good morning, my love.
Morning there. How was the night?
Fine, very fine. But I'm tired. Are you going out?
Yes, of course. But don't worry. Grace, my house help is there in case if you need anything.
Oh no, my love, please don't go. I'm begging you, don't go. I need you.
I need to go, okay? Besides, it's too urgent. And you need to go to your own office.
I'm not going to work. Nothing is more important than spending time with you.
I know. Put yourself together. It's
I
too
can't,
early, okay?
my love. Let's do just one.
No, please.
No,
Please.
just one.
I will be back before you know it. Huh?
Please don't go. Only one. Half. Only half.
I'll be back very soon.
Half now. Please, half. Only one.
Yes, baby, please. I'm coming back. God. Why did I make such a terrible mistake? Why? The infect will get much more worse. And that I can't stand. How do I stop her? Perhaps Monica will help. But how do I tell her?
Hey, Kesaya, he dey do you twang, Kesaya, onyo kikele, your body dey do you, money, yeah, Kesaya, onyo kikele, he get as he dey do you, money, yeah. You dey do like say you don't crazy, you dey around girls, your body dey shake. Sometimes you dey act like say you don't befe, Kesaya, this one na crazy. You don't leave boys follow girls go, cause they sweet you like twang. Your papa, your mama, your brother, they vessel.
Hello? Oh, my love. It's not fair. It's already 4 p.m. and you're not yet back. Oh, my love. You know I miss you. Your house is too big. Please now, hurry on now. I miss you. 10 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Oh, my love, just hurry. Okay. I love you too. Bye. Bye. Grace! Grace! Grace!
My dear, what will I do now when I'm very tired? Is that not the kind of things you get? Come in, the door is open. Girl, let me call you back later. Someone is at the door.
Good evening. Mirabelle, what can I do for you?
Monique, please. I am sorry. I am sorry about what happened last time. Monica, I have a problem at hand now. The Casey came to my house and used that cream. And it has an intense reaction on her. And she wouldn't let me go out this morning. I managed to escape.
So why are you telling me all this, Mirabel? And what exactly are you sorry for? Huh? Tell me, what are you sorry for? Are you sorry for the fact that you took her for shopping, changed her wardrobes, you took her for dinner, you guys were cruising all around town? Or am I even talking about the fact that you have had Keziah for God knows how long? What exactly are you sorry for? Well, you wanted Kezi, and now you have her all to yourself. So please, leave me alone.
Please, Monica. All I am asking for is the antidote spray to enable me to subside the infect on her. I don't want any other embarrassment. And I've tried getting it from other members and none had it presently. You're my last hope. Please, Monica, please.
Embarrassment, my foot. Look at who is talking about embarrassment. Anyway, I have disposed mine because I did not see any use for it. You wanted Keziah, and now you have her, so why are you complaining? Huh? Anyway, Mirabel, please, before you came in, I was in the middle of some important call, so please, use the door. Please.
Is that the way you want it? You better come and take her. You better come and take your roommate. Because there is nothing else I know I could do. And the priest who was supposed to help me travel out of the country.
Mirabel, please leave my house right now. Leave!
Okay. Let me handle it myself.
Whatever.
Auntie, why are you doing this now?
Just like that.
Okay, let me just touch you some more.
Let me touch now.
Relax. Auntie, please, now don't touch.
Let me just touch.
Auntie, please, no.
Just touch.
No.
Let me just touch now.
What is the meaning of this? What are you doing? Excuse me. What's the meaning of this?
Sorry, ma.
Sorry, ma. Get inside.
Honey, I love you. I really love you. I'm waiting for you. I love you. Honey. 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 I love you so much.
Please, take this money and leave my house now. Take! That money will fetch you whatever you want. Leave! I don't need any other embarrassment.
I love you.
Love what? Just get out. Leave my house. Go! Oh, come! Oh, come! Come here!
I love you.
Take this thing out of my house.
I love you.
Get this thing out of this place! Now!
Madam, why now?
Come on, leave me. I think I can't go. Get out of my house.
No, no, no.
Go! Let me know where you want. Stop me! Stop me! Get out! Selling! Idiot! And where is that stupid house help of mine? Where's Grace? Grace!
Sweetie. Casey, darling, you're not dressed. Well, you know we have an appointment today now. Oh my God, you can't imagine how I was worrying up to meet up with you. Oh, come on, just go dress.
I can't go out. I really don't feel like it.
Why?
Nothing, I just don't feel up to it.
Why? But But sweetie, you know we have an appointment together and then I need someone to go with me.
You're going to have to go alone. I really don't feel like going out.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing.
Huh? Well, that means if you insist, then I have to go with Clara because I need someone to go with me for the appointment.
It's okay. Okay.
You mean I should go with Clara?
Yeah.
Okay then. If you insist, I'll go hook up with her, okay? And then I'll be back soon. Alright, darling, take care. I'll be back home to take care of you.
Clara, are you home?
Hey, come on
in
the
kitchen,
girl. Madam Cook, you're always in the kitchen. So what are we eating this time?
You know your home is always full. You know me.
Sweetie,
Yeah, then.
I have to run. I come and meet you, huh?
Yeah.
I need to go to somewhere. Seriously, I need you to go with me. Somewhere very, very important. You know I cannot deceive you. I'll always take you to where it's happening.
Alright.
But I need a companion. Please don't say no.
Alright, no problem. Just let me finish up and then we'll go.
Okay, no problem. So I'll wait for you.
Come to think of it, why did you ask me to follow you? What happened to Kezi, baby?
Kezai is a long story.
No,
No, seriously, Clara. It's about Mirabelle. I never knew that, you know, the time I brought her for the fellowship that she joined us, I never knew that Mirabelle had eyes on my girl. That had roving eyes. Oh, God. Where am I going to start from? Mirabelle would take her for shopping. Mirabelle changed her wardrobe. Mirabelle opened an account for her. Mirabelle took her cruising around town. Oh, and then she reinfected that girl.
Jesus!
And now you need to see that girl. Double reaction. She's behaving very abnormal.
Oh. So, why don't you report this to Mother Natasha?
Well, Mother Natasha went for, you know, her normal trips abroad. And then I'm hoping she comes back soon. Because seriously, when Mother Natasha comes back, I am going to trash this issue out with Mirabelle.
No, seriously.
Because I really don't know what that girl is up to.
Seriously.
She thinks she's got money. I'm going to face her fire for fire.
This has to be handled. Seriously.
You guys will put mouth over because when I'm ready for her. Anyways, darling, I'm really exhausted. Seriously, I need water.
Okay. Yeah, check the dispenser in the parlor.
Fast.
I'll be fast. You know, this is a serious issue.
Yes, seriously.
Alright.
Okay, I'm waiting there.
Yeah.
Which one do you want? These ones? At 250 naira. Yes, 350 naira. No, 250 naira. Yes. I should pay this for you. Wait now. You say you want to buy it. What are you trying to do? If you think you are, I can do it. It's your color. It's your color. Thank you, Auntie.
Men used to disturb you, Abby.
Yes, Auntie.
Don't answer them.
Thank you, Auntie.
They want to buy this orange and buy this one too. Don't answer them.
so shy, love it. Only job it help you for this kind thing where you do. Makame kumani na
How delightful you've made my day for accepting a debt after you've turned me down severally, you know. You need to know how happy I am.
I hope you're not flattering me.
It is an unspeakable error to flatter a beautiful and most principled young lady like you. I mean, no. Watch my lips. Everything I said reflects my deep-seated feelings for you. In fact, I am beginning to love you already.
Seriously?
In fact, I can do anything for you. Anything!
I'm blushing. So, you can really do anything for me?
Anything.
Okay, let's see. Can you take a bullet for me?
Baby, look, I am ready to face all the terrorists in the world. I'll face them head on. Just for you.
Oh, he can die for me. Oh, really nice. Oh, even Osama bin Laden?
That man is a rat. If I get him, I will just eat him up like...
Oh.
That's Osama.
I'm sure you're enjoying the meal.
It's wonderful.
Yeah.
Baby, this is our day. In fact, from here we'll be heading home to my palace to consummate.
Don't worry. You are going to have Monica to yourself all night.
Goodness me.
Yeah. I love your eating habit, yeah.
Oh, it's sweet. Enjoy yourself, young lady. Enjoy yourself.
Yeah. Okay, no. I mean...
Oh, I missed it.
Oh, you really missed
yes,
it.
Yes.
I'm sure you're enjoying your food then.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, baby.
Okay, bye.
Raphael, thank you very much for the lunch.
Oh, baby, don't mention. You know, just go in and freshen up so I can go to my house. You know, as we planned. Yeah.
Well, change of plans. There is no point going to your house again.
What's the meaning of this? Well, we plan to go to my house.
Okay, there is breach in arrangement right now. Okay? Seriously, I am not down with this. Okay? And please, do not come looking for me again because you will be surprised at what I will do to you. So don't even come any inch closer to that gate. Okay? Obviously, do I look like I have this time?
I mean, what is the meaning of this? What?
Good day, Mr. Raphael. I hate you. What are you doing here? You're supposed to be at work.
I was missing a set to come and see you.
No, this is not the right place for this. This is not the right place.
Please, I'm begging you.
This is the right place for you to stop.
Monica!
Sir.
What in the world is going on here? Both of you, meet me in my office now!
Sir, no, nothing.
I love you, my baby. Let's go. Are we going home? Are we going home? My love! Sweetheart!
You have ruined me, Keziah. My job jeopardized and my dignity questioned, all because of your animalistic urge. Don't! Not even a word! Why get mad at you? Get out of me!
Love is not
Your story is quite pathetic. But I must be frank with you. There's no medication for it. What you need to do is to take the guidelines I've given you. And I must advise you, you keep male companions more often than ladies. And I expect you to visit me time to time for more counseling.
Okay, doctor.
You're welcome.
I'll be on my way now.
Take good care of yourself.
It is with great regret that I bring to your notice what my friend Keziah has been going through for some time now. All because of Mirabel's selfish desire. Now she reinfected that girl after knowing fully well that I had infected her too. All because she wanted to have that girl to herself. Now she's going through excessive hyperreaction. And then the situation is getting out of hand. All thanks to Mirabel.
Monica, don't think I can sit down here and watch brats like you insult me.
And what would you do, you toothless bulldog?
Look at this cheap hawk calling me an old toothless bulldog.
Mirabel, if I am a cheap hog, then you are the bigger hog.
You are! You are the bigger hog! You are! Both of you!
Keep quiet! What is it? Look at this lifeless youth. Mirabel! Monica, keep quiet and sit down. Brat. Okay, Mama.
Women of substance and dignity. Women of substance and dignity.
To uphold the pride of womanhood.
I did not call both of you here for this. Anyway, we don't have to quarrel over this. As women of substance and dignity, what is dignified in this thing you are doing now? What is dignified in it? I think with women that has great hearts, the heart of a lion, you all know the solution to something like this. Monica, Mirabel, I think you both know the solution to this. Then what we are going to do is to invite Keziah. At least she's the third party in question, isn't it? She will be invited on our next meeting. They will settle it amicably in her presence. Is that understood? Is that understood? Yes, sir. Good. Women of substance and dignity. Women of substance and dignity!
To uphold the pride of womanhood.
Good. Good day, ladies.
Sweetie.
Hey you. Hi.
How are you doing?
Fine. Fine. How's your day?
Well, you can imagine too much workload. So, how are you today?
Fine. Very fine. Never been better.
Seriously? As in, you're normal now?
Yes.
Fine as in, you're perfect now?
Yes.
Normal?
Normal.
Ah, that means the antidote worked.
Perfectly. In fact, I've been free from that bondage. I feel so, so safe.
I told you that Pre-Mother was going to do something.
She is awesome and I don't know what to say. And to you, I must say thank you. I'm sorry for all the embarrassment I caused you. I'm really sorry.
Oh, yeah, you know that is not too much. That doesn't mean anything, darling. You know I'll always be there for you. And seriously, you deserve every good thing. You deserve the best. You know I always love you. And then take care of you too. So what is my baby reading?
Chimamanda.
Oh, Purple Hibiscus?
Awesome.
Oh my god, I've read it. She's great. Okay, let me go freshen up. Huh?
Bye.
I'll join you soon.
Bye.
Alright, dearie.
Where are you there now?
Mama?
Are the questions? Prepare tomorrow. Huh? You go ask about go see your sister. Do you hear me, son? Make you know whether anything happen for listen.
But I know they're going anywhere. I know what I take this my eye see that last time we I go that house. Because I say you don't become big girl. You better make we leave them alone. Cheche.
You where I live since for more than 10 years, what do you achieve? Where I live you on that side?
Papa, I hope say you know they try to insult me.
Donatus, very early in the morning, prepare you to go Asaba. When you reach there, you check what I say make you check. You hear me so?
Say I no maga all on when na nega na check it. But then doctor. Huh? Apa ya ko no zero way. Oh boy, na big girl. Oh so na here na me.
Come here. I want you to answer this question. Are you stupid?
It's a question. No.
Tomorrow when you will knock you for here, eh? This your head. You get up, you know, Sam.
This head. Na dia me and you go die you. Don't go there. Let's say to hozu. Don't even emanama. Not go there.
Idiot. And because I just leave you, they carry this with on the waka. I know what I go do. I go mix shaving powder, pour with where they sleep. When you get up, you go leave on that pillow. Yeah.
What? What is it?
Baby, please. Please, darling, listen to me. Please, I'm sorry.
Please, I don't want any problems. After throwing me out of your house, asking your houseboy to throw me
I'm sorry. I was only confused. I don't know what to do.
Please, I don't want any problems. I'm begging you, please.
Okay. I'll come back. Okay?
Come back. I'm begging you now. Please don't come back and pick me up.
Okay, at least let me take you to work.
No, I say no. No, please.
Please. Okay, baby. Sweetie, please.
Where those things now?
I'm coming, I am coming, please. Yes, at least she managed this one for some time.
Don't go sit down again. Where the oil?
Hey, no, I forgot to buy it yesterday, but you know I was tired now. Please.
I will give this person this kind of thing. You know, put oil inside.
Why? Rastaman fee make some leko Johnny. And me see you soon.
Come here.
Why if you give Rastaman some leko trouble? He won't go trouble.
Your son.
Where they go with two of your pockets?
Maybe you tell me something I go Asaba. I go see my sister. Not Asaba they go now.
Now there was I say you should go Asaba. And you are going to Asaba without taking the message.
Okay, what can be the message?
Donna, please tell him what you want to tell him. Please. Just tell him what you want to.
Now you go Asaba, you put two hands for pocket the waka like Timaya. You not gonna carry message what they say me give your sister.
Bombo clad.
Yeah.
Rastaman, if you no carry this bond ahead, no bombo clad. Bombo clad, man.
Donna, come and carry it, oh? I just allow peace to rest, please.
I go tear you like blanket now. You know me?
Yeah, if you don't meet the champion, man.
Donna, Biko, man, Biko.
Come and carry it.
Please, I don't want this.
Now when you not great carry them now, you go see what will happen.
Biko, come and carry the things. Huh?
Ogwazu.
Bombo clat.
Yeah.
Rat. Bombo clat too small.
You and Bombo bye bye. Oh. Great Keza for me. Oh.
Bombo clat.
What did that way they talk?
Do I know?
You don't know, but now you with them they
They waiting.
Maybe they don't go remove my name. Namboy they come in now.
Have you ever heard me? Do I know what he's saying?
Ada.
I don't know what he's saying. I don't even know what that means.
Ada, the blood when they go inside this boy body and the water, you know they my body, not they your body. If not be say I marry you as a virgin. Ada.
Cletus, what are you insinuating? No, one more.
Ada.
Cletus. Okay. So you're not. Cletus. Okay, no problem.
Is this what I'm going to experience with all these ladies? I think I have a better idea. Martin Shoma. Huh? Hey, Shoma. What would I tell her? Homie like me, nigga with attitude. It's a lie. Hey, thank God. I won't buy your memory.
This one, 200.
200 naira. For one? How much last price?
How much?
I think it's 150. I won't buy many.
For 190.
It costs for 190.
Damn, it costs. You put it for 190. No cost.
190. This
buy.
young will resemble me.
Fact,
Just there like me. I go buy the five. So it's 190 last.
Last price 190.
You know what thing to happen? Business day. Huh? Just wait for me at the come. Business day. Just wait. No. I'm the
go please.
Madam. Yeah. How much you go buy?
Yeah. Who get her?
Na me.
You sure say I get the yam?
Na me get her, be farmer.
I think it's I am at the same.
Na me get am, no the fear. Na me.
They say yam better and they buy yam with person with thief.
No, I'm the thief.
Now you get her?
Na me get the yam.
You sure?
Na me get her.
How much you go sell her?
Since you say your own 190. 150 no go bad.
I give you 80 naira.
80 naira. But you go say your own 190.
Nah, market.
Madam, you go buy
I go fight game. Okay. How much you go sell?
Look this my yarn now. Look this your own. You go see the difference. They no be the same species. Huh? This one fat.
Okay, leave. I might give you 550.
Make a round number now. Why the 15 naira?
Give am 550.
Look at this. I'm a very fine woman. God bless you. Hey.
I take a
Hey. Well, good business. The Kaneko?
No one buy it. You'll find my eyes on my first market.
Much your my here. on that club. The blues. Hey, stop. I know with the blues, I demand you, but I want to go to Asaba. The blues.
Okay, how far?
I'm fine.
Where they go?
I'm going to Asasa. The blues. Hey, my guy. Do you know that Awurum is the greatest striker in the whole world? That guy is too much. What we did. My guy, what's wrong? Are you Man U fan or Chelsea fan? Man U says no. Chelsea. Man U. Chelsea. Chelsea. Man U. Which one? The boat. Chelsea. You dey craze? No, the. Are you Man U or Chelsea or you get down? The blue. Did you watch our match last week? Of course not. Hey, see Ronaldo. That guy is something else. He is something else. See, as he was dribbling Manchester guys, Manchester players. He dribbled onto the extent that what is that his name? Ferdinand and Anderson were almost crying. And Messi had no other option to commit and the face that gave him yellow card. But there's one person in that Chelsea that is something else too. Kanu.
Mama, do you know that Kanu is in Nigeria as we speak?
No. I mean someone, Kalu. You know the Kaka.
Are you sure you're a Chelsea fan?
Till I die, the Blues. The Blues. Look, let me tell you. You see, Chelsea will win all the trophies this year. They will win Premiership, FA Cup, Carling Cup, Confederation Cup, Intercontinental Cup, even Continental Cup. The Blues! The Blues! The Blues!
Win all the counts!
Win all the counts.
The Blues!
The Blues! You don't want to open this door? Okay, I will wait here. I will wait here and see that man that has refused you to open the door for your brother. I must be here. Let me see that man now do something. Where is he?
Where's who?
Where is the man? I heard the man's voice.
Which man's voice did you hear? There's no man here. What are you looking for?
The man.
Which man? Stop now. There's no man here.
I'm not convinced yet. No. Where is the man? Kazai.
No, there is no man here.
I'm not convinced yet. I heard the man's voice. No.
No, seriously, Ezzy, you have to warn your brother. He's embarrassing me.
Donna, what embarrassment?
This is an embarrassment.
I said I had a husband.
And you said there is no man here.
Maybe he disappeared.
Oh yeah. Okay, keep searching. Even if you say man here, go. Maybe you beat Keziah.
Are you a man woman?
I don't know.
I heard a man's voice.
There is no man here.
I must be here.
Oh yeah, stay now.
I must stay.
Stay.
Let me be here. I don't understand the job here. Let me be here.
Aploko.
I will stay.
Stay.
I will stay. I must be here.
Donna, I'm only here with Monica. I said there is no man here. There is no man here. What's wrong with you?
I will stay here.
Stay put.
Bumbo clock. And then man can go you born now before somebody dies. Hi. Nah. I'm AC. What's that? Crazy. Hey, good food.
Donatus,
Huh?
can you please tell me why you have come here to disturb me?
Oh. It is not a disturbance to visit you. Anyway, Papa said I should come and check if you have started distributing your essential commodity.
Are you out of your mind?
It's not possible, no.
So it's now in your position to begin to follow me around to see if I've started sharing or not. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. You don't have anything tangible to do. That is why you go about disturbing others. That's why.
Because what other job is better than ensuring that in between your two legs? It's even more than a wrestling contest.
Please. Be fast, let's go. Beg, hurry up, let's go.
Allow me to savor the taste of this food. I don't know when next I will eat this kind of delicacy. And then from Unishanka, Sam, finishing. Crazy. With them.
Thank you, baby. You're welcome. Thank you.
Oh, please sit down.
Thank you. Where's Monica?
She's not home.
So why did she ask me to come around if she knew she was going out?
Maybe because she'll come back early. Perhaps she'll send you back. Would you want me to offer you anything?
Am I in a trance? Kezai, I looks like she comes from here. The Bible says that we shall resist the devil and he shall flee from us. Get out! Before I send down Holy Ghost fire on you. Kezai, so we are taking a different tone. You now do it with women instead of the other way around.
It's not your papa that said I should stay away from men. Now you pass to complain that someone...
Shut up! Ah, so you still have the front to talk after committing such an abomination? Because I'll make sure I tell Papa, Mama, in fact the whole village here.
Sorry, please, I'm sorry. Don't tell Mama, don't tell Papa, please.
You don't want me to tell Papa? Okay. Even if you don't want to do something.
Oh yeah, I'll give you anything.
You give me anything. My price is expensive.
I'll give you.
But I will consider you. Because you are my kid sister. But on one condition.
What condition?
I will not do it again.
Yeah, I promise. I'll not do it again. I promise. I'll not do it
You
again.
promise?
I promise. So I'll not give you anything again, Abi?
Crazy. Get out. This thing you did is very, very bad. Hey, Waka. What about your bladder? Obawango? You bring the food. Keze, where are you rushing off to?
I have a meeting. I have a very important meeting.
I hope you're not going to that meeting with those your friends that wear chains all over their body.
What is your problem with the chains that they wear all over their body?
I have a problem with that chain because all the chain they put in Rwaka.
I'll see you when I come.
I will follow you. Give me, what's wrong with you? Give me money if you want to come out to, if you want to come out, give me money. Give me something. Find out. Me won't know you. Give me a little time, me won't know you. Rastaman Donatus by way of nomenclature. Me reside in the neighborhood. What's your name?
You're a fool, idiot, nonsense.
Bombo Clat! Daughter of Eve, man! Fireball all the lesbian then like the days of Sodom and Gomorrah, man. Bombo Clat. This way or this way? Because anyway, I must sleep today. Ratty Bombo Clat! Them are lesbian, them are screw up your brain, man! Flat punani. No, man. Them are screw up your brain, man! Flat punani, flat yacht, nothing at your backside, man. Nonsense, fake yet. Fake! Bombo Clat! Nothing for the backside, man. Everything for the backside, Bombo Clat. What did you think you are doing? Hey! Why are you holding my sister as if she's your husband? Huh? Come on.
Yes, look at the way you're embarrassing yourself.
Embarrassing me?
Why are you embarrassing me?
Give me the money. Give me the money. Fast. Think I don't know. She gave you some money. She gave you some money. Bring it.
The money is here. We'll share it. Wait.
Kezi. I'm fine. What's happening? So you're still in this Asaba cruising? I've been around. It's been boring. This place is not habitable. The blues! So where are you going to? I'm going to Oka. Where are you going to? Oka? Hey! I'm going to Oka too. I'm always a lucky guy. The blues! The blues! Who's that fine baby I am? She's my sister. My greatest asset. That's why you're protecting her like that. She's my pride. I don't joke with her. The blues? I don't joke with her. Is she also going with you to Oka? We are going together. So let's go now. Okay. The blues! Let's go. The blues! The blues! The day I was coming. I'm not going. No, he said only going to Oka. I'm not going. I think we should join him and save the money. I'm not going. Be clear. The blues! The blues! The blues!
Hi. How are you? The blues. My name is Collins.
Kezi.
I guess you're also going to Oka.
Yes. I'm going to yes. Two of us.
Yes.
Alright, then we can all go together.
The blues! 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 Hey! The blues! In the back. Behind. Kesaya, behind now. Behind, the door is open. What are you looking for in the front seat? Make yourself comfortable there. Are you from Russia? I told you she's my African queen. Don't joke with her.
Oh, she's indeed an African queen. Why don't you go to the back so that she comes in front?
The blues.
Oh yeah, go.
Don't worry, we're okay this way. Hey! Talking to her is expensive. Remember I told you that? Knowing her name is even more expensive. Okay, along.
Sweetheart, how's the service going?
Oh, it was fine. Very fine. Besides, my brother told me that you gave him a lift the last time. Thank you so much for your kind gesture.
The pleasure is all mine.
The blues. If you see where they're selling drinks, I mean, or this pub, this restaurant, and you can park and buy us some bottles. You know, I can permit you to drink with that. The blues.
Please don't mind my brother. I have a very important appointment to catch up with.
Let me just give you my complimentary card. Here, you can call me anytime so that we can have some heart-to-heart talk.
Won't be necessary.
The blues. Let me keep it for her. When we get home, we discuss about it. You know, women, the blues.